Hello everybody, in this episode I will show you how to change your headlight level sensor from your car. My car is a Volkswagen Passat B6 and it has a big xenon headlight. This is the sensor that we are going to change it today. It is located in the rear axle of the car. I will show you today how to change it. As you can see, this is my sensor and it's not working anymore. What he does, it's moving the headlight around corners, up and down, left and right. And I have a problem with it. It's not moving them anymore. I will show you photos and videos with the problem. This is my headlight, and as you can see, the front bulb is not doing anything. Normally it should go left, right, up and down, but it's not doing anything. And the problem is with the rear level sensor. At the end of this video, you will see how the bulb normally need to work. And this is the problem. It's telling me that the cornering light AFC failure, owner's manual. To remove it, you have to undo these bolts. You have usually 3 bolts here. I already changed them because mine was too rusty, and I changed them with this one. And I will remove it, and after that I will install the new one. As you can see, this is the old sensor. It's exactly the same, and this is the new one. I only have to put this plate on this one because the new one didn't come with it, so I have to change it. As you can see here, I just installed the old plate on the new one, on the new bracket. And you just have to install it like this. If yours came in like this, you also have to install the old plate on the new one. You just have to make sure it's tight. Okay, and let's now install it on the car. And it goes something like this. As you can see, this is the position. And I will come back when it's installed. Okay, as you can see, I just fitted the bolts. Here and 2 up there, and now I just have to plug it in and it's basically ready, and we'll check it if it's working or not. As you can see, it's not here. And one more thing to check is to see in front of the car if the headlight is moving up and down, left and right. If you found this video informative, please leave a like and a comment down below. See you next time.